world's first plant containers made with climate-positive UBQ materials. Household refuse and waste is collected and transferred to sorting. Even with many of us sorting at home, only 13% of worldwide rubbish is salvaged as recyclable material. Pre-sorted items and those in good condition to be extracted from general waste are fully recyclable. But organics, leftover food, plant and grass trimmings, items made from mixed materials like foil line or plastic-coated cartons, and even clothing cannot be recycled and go to landfill. Some recyclables turn out not to be recyclable and also go to mixed landfill. The UBQ process takes this landfill waste, upcycles, and converts to a bio-based thermoplastic, bringing new life to it. This waste no longer produces carbon or methane emissions for a climate-positive effect. The UBQ material is blended with additional recyclable material, creating a new circular positive crescent garden container or insert. This planter is itself 100% recyclable, ensuring an ongoing circular life cycle.